So I can add work holding clamps to my plotter. I'm going to use M6 pronged T-nuts on a 50mm grid. As I have a CNC machine, it will be rude not to use it to mark out the hole positions. That's all completed now. I'm not quite sure how long it took, as I had to pause it halfway and recharge the knife pad to the spindle motor. Now I've got it all marked out with a centre drill, I'm going to drill all the way through with a 2mm twist drill. I've stuck a piece of scrap wood underneath so I don't make holes in the floor, like I did a few years ago in the kitchen and got a bit of a bollocking. So I've drilled 70 holes and I only snapped one drill bit. Now I'm going to relieve the underside using the 19mm drill that I used to make the holes for the bearing for the spindle. That should be deep enough. Now it's back the right way up and time to go all the way through with a 7mm drill. I've stuck a bit of sellotape on it to mark the depth. I'm going to insert the pronged T-nut using a whackometer. Now I can attach things to the base. In this case it is a piece of skirting board that I've spray painted black. "20 minutes and one battery charge later,